Have you ever noticed that no matter how hard you try to avoid certain people or situations, they just keep coming back? Maybe it's the same person or maybe different people, but the same patterns repeat themselves in your life. Why does that happen? The first thing to understand is that deep down we develop a low key fear about these things. It's like our brain is wired to avoid what hurts us. But avoiding doesn't work long term. The key is acceptance. You have to fully accept what happened, no matter how painful, and express those feelings. Write down your anger, your sadness, whatever you feel. You don't have to tell anyone else, just express it in some way. This helps you to release trapped emotions that keep you tied to the pain. After you express and accept, about 80% of your burden lifts. The rest is about practicing detachment. One thing I do is a cord cutting visualization. I imagine an energy cord connecting to me to that person or situation, and I cut it, sending the energy back to sender. It might sound spiritual, and if that's not your style, then simply remind yourself that these thoughts or people are not your responsibility anymore. Express it, say what you feel, and then release it. Expressing is the key, whether it's through writing, recording your voice, or visualization. Let those emotions flow so they don't stay stuck inside you. I know you must be thinking this sounds easier said than done, but trust me, it really is easier than it feels. The hardest judge in our life isn't others, it's ourselves. We judge our own thoughts so harshly, sometimes more than anyone else ever could. Some people are so scared to even look inside because self reflection means facing those tough feelings without running away. I am not here to give you false hope. I know for many, looking inward is one of the toughest things to do. But here's the truth: if you take even one small step, just start reflecting a little more regularly, you will begin to feel a deep kind of happiness. That kind of happiness which comes from understanding yourself and solving your own problems is way more powerful than chasing approval or joy from others. Yeah, it might feel a little bit out of place, but that's how the world works. Everything is connected. You can't just get rid of what's bothering you. You need to build a mindset strong enough to face it, to live life fully. I hope this video helps you feel lighter or a little more free. Remember, healing and detachment take time, but every step forward counts. Thanks so much for watching, Divinas. See you again soon.